Hello everyone, Chris here from IT Support Services from the College of St. Benedict St. John's University. Today we will discuss how to install Outlook and set up your campus email on Apple devices. To get started, we'll download Outlook from the App Store. The App Store can be located in your applications list as you scroll from left to right or right from left, and it is in the symbol of an A. I'm going to select the App Store. And when that's launched, in the bottom right corner there is a search option. I'll select search. And in the search field, I will type in Outlook. Once the search is complete, up in the top right corner, I see that I have Microsoft Outlook, and I'm going to choose the download option. This can take some time depending upon your wireless or cellular data connection. Alright, my download and installation is now complete, and I now have an open button. I'm going to select open, and as the application launches, you'll select add account, and you'll be prompted to enter in your campus email, your network password, and depending on your location, also your Duo two-factor authentication. I'm going to add my account, and then I will select maybe later for the add another account screen, and then I'll be prompted to turn on notifications. These notifications are for new messages that you receive and also appointment notifications as well. I'm going to turn those on, and I'm going to allow them. And now I'm in my inbox ready to send and receive messages, check my calendar appointments, and even store my contacts. If you have any questions or have any troubles installing Outlook or setting up your email on your Apple device, feel free to contact our help desk. We can be reached by email, helpdesk@csb+SJU.edu, by phone 320-363-2228, or our support portal, support.csb+sju.edu.